India's herbal hair care products blend ancient Ayurvedic wisdom with modern sustainability. These authentic, chemical-free solutions are sourced organically, ensuring purity and effectiveness. Overseas buyers benefit from India's rich tradition, gaining access to premium products that cater to diverse hair types and concerns while supporting ethical and eco-friendly practices. Our products harness the power of pure botanicals and Ayurvedic wisdom, offering effective solutions for diverse hair types and concerns. We are committed to ethical sourcing and eco-friendly practices, ensuring sustainability. Learn how to directly import these premium, authentic herbal hair care products from India, combining ancient traditions with modern needs. Ayurvedic hair remedies, rooted in Indian culture for millennia, utilize plants and herbs for hair care. Passed down through generations, mothers and grandmothers crafted treatments from garden herbs. These time-honored practices are now gaining global recognition, highlighting their enduring effectiveness and cultural significance. Amla, rich in vitamin C, strengthens hair follicles and prevents premature graying. Hibiscus promotes hair growth and adds shine. Neem, with its antibacterial properties, combats dandruff and scalp infections. Aloe vera soothes irritated scalps and naturally balances pH levels, offering a holistic approach to hair care. Our products exclude harmful sulfates, parabens, artificial fragrances, synthetic colors, and silicones. This ensures formulations are gentler on the scalp, reducing irritation and preventing buildup. They are environmentally safer and better for long-term use, aligning with holistic hair care principles. Ayurvedic hair care focuses on balancing Vata, Pitta, and Kapha energies through synergistic herb combinations. This holistic approach addresses mental, physical, and spiritual hair health. Traditional techniques like oil massage and herbal rinses enhance effectiveness, offering a comprehensive solution for maintaining healthy hair. Bhringraj and methi seed formulations fortify hair follicles, reducing shading. Neem and fenugreek balance scalp health, achieving a 78% reduction in dandruff. Onion and amla extracts promote hair growth, averaging 1.5 centimeters monthly. Hibiscus and aloe offer deep moisture, making hair 3 times more manageable. Hair oils offer deep conditioning for scalp and roots, enhancing overall hair health. Herbal shampoos provide gentle cleansing with botanical extracts, maintaining scalp balance. Hair masks deliver intensive repair for damaged strands, restoring vitality. Leave-in treatments offer daily protection and nourishment, ensuring hair remains resilient and healthy throughout the day. Amla and coconut oil formulations effectively restore moisture balance in dry and damaged hair, showing visible results within 2 weeks. For oily hair, neem and lemongrass regulate sebum production, keeping hair fresh longer. Bhringraj and hibiscus blends add volume to fine hair, while fenugreek and aloe enhance curls, reducing frizz and maintaining moisture. The global organic hair care market is experiencing robust growth, driven by increasing consumer awareness and demand for natural products. Indian exports have surged, with a notable percentage increase, positioning India as a key player in the global market. This growth reflects a shift towards sustainable and ethical beauty solutions, aligning with consumer preferences for organic and eco-friendly products. Ethical sourcing is pivotal in our operations. We maintain fair trade partnerships, ensuring farmers receive fair compensation. Our ingredients are certified organic, grown without harmful chemicals. Additionally, a portion of our proceeds supports education and healthcare in rural communities, reinforcing our commitment to social responsibility. Our environmental commitment includes sustainable packaging with recycled and biodegradable materials. We conserve water through recycling and rainwater harvesting systems. Solar-powered manufacturing and local sourcing reduce our carbon footprint. Additionally, we support reforestation by planting one tree for every 100 products sold, enhancing our ecological impact. Importing Indian hair care products offers a 35% profit margin, with retail markups significantly exceeding wholesale costs. Consumer interest has surged by 78%, reflecting a growing demand for organic products. The market is expanding at 12% annually, with 6 diverse product categories providing comprehensive hair care solutions. A United Kingdom luxury retailer launched an exclusive Indian hair oil line, surpassing sales projections by 45% in the first quarter. An Australian chain introduced a complete range in 32 stores, boosting customer retention to 73%. Meanwhile, a United States salon network adopted treatments in 120 locations, increasing client satisfaction scores by 28 points. For direct sourcing inquiries, reach us at Modinagar, Uttar Pradesh. Call us at +91 87-553-00795 or email support@indianbox.com. Visit our website at indianbox.com for more information.